The Galaxy A series has been a success for Samsung and it is going to introduce yet another phone in the A series, the Samsung Galaxy A90. And we already have a lot of leaks regarding it, starting with the promo posters, tweet from leakers to the leaked retail box, which gives us enough information and look at the device. So without waiting anymore, let's head straight to it. The retail box reveals key specification of the Galaxy A90 5G. Starting with the display and design, the smartphone will flaunt a Full HD Plus Infinity U Super AMOLED display measuring 170.3 mm diagonally, which translates to 6.7 inches. The top of the box reveals the design of the Galaxy A90 5G, confirming that it will come with a water drop display. Additionally, it looks like the phone will come with a stainless steel frame like the iPhone XS to offer a premium look. The rear panel, which is most likely glass, is in white color option and sees a vertical triple camera setup. There is no fingerprint sensor on the back, so it's safe to assume an in-display fingerprint sensor will be offered. Additionally, it shows octa-core processor on the box, which could either mean Snapdragon 855 or 855 Plus chipset. But most people believe it to be Snapdragon 855 processor because of the available Geekbench listing of Galaxy A90. This particular retail box also mentioned 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Additionally, the Galaxy A90 will come with the 32MP selfie camera and sport a triple camera setup at the back comprising of 48MP, 5MP and 8MP units, where one might be an ultra-wide-angle lens and the other a depth sensor. The battery capacity has not been mentioned, but the Galaxy A90 will sport super fast charging, which suggests it will come up to 45W fast charging support like the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And as of now, there is no official word on when the Samsung Galaxy A90 would be making its way to the market, but we can be sure it will be the costly phone in this A series lineup. So that's Samsung Galaxy A90. If you want more such videos, then hit the subscribe button. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Peace out.